Hey, sixth graders. We've been looking at expressions. So yesterday you looked at addition with expressions and subtraction and multiplication. Today we're looking at writing division expressions for lessons 13 and 14. So we have three statements here. So write an expression showing a divided by b without the use of the division symbol. Write an expression for g divided by the quantity h plus 3. And then write an expression for the quotient of the quantity m reduced by 3 and 5. So we're going to go to our whiteboard here. So for the first one, pretty simple. We have, a divided by 5. Next one, we had g divided by h plus 3. And fairly simple. Now this next one is where it gets kind of tricky. So we had the quotient of the quantity m reduced by 3 and 5. So it's kind of like two separate things. The quotient of m minus 3 and 5. So the quotient is the whole thing. Okay, pretty simple. Now the next thing is equivalent expressions. So here we have, I'll make this just a little more distinctive. The quotient of h and 16. So h divided by 16, h divided by 16, h divided by 16. So just different ways to write it. So let's just say I wanted to do, let me get them all erased here quick. Let's see. Find a good one. So I guess I should give you one more information here. So this is quotient, I'm just going to write Q, of dividend and divisor. This part would be helpful to know for you. Here we have dividend, sorry, it's kind of hard to write, divided by divisor. Here we have dividend over divisor. And here we have divisor dividend. So dividend is always the number that's being divided by the divisor. Divisor is the number that we're trying to figure out goes into it. So let's try this again here. Erase these. Best I can. We'll just look at one more anyways. It's not a huge deal. Okay. Let's try one that's kind of hard. So we have the sum of g and 12 divided by h. So the sum of g and 12 divided by h. So let's write it over here first, because this seems to be the easiest, okay? So we have h on the bottom, because we're dividing by h. G plus 12, okay? Then here, we're going to have g plus 12 divided by h, okay? And then lastly, g plus 12 in parentheses, so we do it first, divided by h. All right, not too difficult. So your assignment is to work on the IXL skill posted for extra practice, but nothing that is going to be graded. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Check out the extra video if you need some help with that too, and have a wonderful day.